Hi, welcome back. In this quiz session, you will be getting questions related to articles. You have to read the questions carefully and put the appropriate article in each sentence. This is a quiz of 20 questions. You have to read these questions and then give the answers in 5 seconds. I'll wait for you. You can collect pen and paper in your hands, then we'll begin. So let's jump in now. They usually spend their holidays in mountains. Options are on the screen. You have to select the correct option for the sentence. We'll get 5 seconds to solve this option. The answer is the. They usually spend their holidays in the mountains. So we are talking about particular things. That's why we use in the mountains. Now let's take second question. Los Angeles has dash ideal climate. Our options are no article and the. You have to select the correct option from the available choices. 5 seconds, friends. Answer is N, because Los Angeles has an ideal climate. Because I is the vowel and we have to use N before A, E, I, O, U. So that's why we have to use N over here. So Los Angeles has an ideal climate. Question number 3. This is dash best Mexican restaurant in the country. Options are no article, A, the. 5 seconds. Please write your answers on your paper. The answer is the, because this is the best. Best is the superlative degree. That's why we have to use the before it. This is the best Mexican restaurant in the country. Question number 4. I can't live on dash $500 a month. Options are the, no article, A. You have 5 seconds to write down the answer. Please write down your answers fast. Answer is no article. So here you don't have to use any article. I can't live on dash $500 a month. Simple sentence, I can't live on $500 a month. There's no article in it. Question number 5. Someone called dash policeman. Options are A, the, no article. 5 seconds to write down the answer. Answer is A. So we are talking about common category of some profession. That's why we have to use A. So someone call a policeman. Question number 6. Someone call dash police. Options are no article, the, A. Options are the. Someone call the police, because we are talking about particular department. That's why you have to use the over there. Question number 7. He is dash real American hero. Options are no article, the, A. You have to choose one option with it. Only 5 seconds, friends. Write down the answers on your paper. Now look at the answer. Answer is A. So he is a real American hero. I don't like dash dogs, but I like my brother's dog. Options are A, no article, the. 5 seconds to solve the answer. Answer is no article. So I don't like dogs, but I like my brother's dog. Brother's dog means brother is the owner of the dog. apostrophe S shows the ownership of something. I haven't seen him in dash 5 years. Options are no article, the, a. 5 seconds. No article. So answer would be I haven't seen him in 5 years. Kobe Bryant is dash basketball player. Options are the, a, no article. You will get only 5 seconds, friends. This is the last question. Answer A. So Kobe Bryant is a basketball player. So these are few questions related to articles, friends. I hope you have liked it. You will be getting more quiz in coming videos. Let me share a small information about articles so you will remember how to use articles. We have got two types of articles, indefinite article and definite article. Indefinite articles are those types of articles which are used to notify common things, like we say a boy, a room, a girl, a man. But definite articles are those articles which notify specific things, like the man in black coat, the woman in pink sari. So here we are specifying something, that's why we are using the article. That's the definite article. And we have got two sounds of the. The sound is used for the words which have consonant letters. The sound is used for the words which have vowel letters. Thanks for watching this video, friends. I hope you have enjoyed this quiz of articles. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications of videos, and do share it with your friends and loved ones. Have a nice day. Bye bye.